Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to assign multiple people to one task here in Asana. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Asana, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. In Asana, each task can only have one assignee to maintain clarity about responsibility. However, you can work around these limitations in a few ways to involve multiple people in task. So I'm going straight over to a project that I have been currently working with, and this is how to add multiple assignees in Asana. All right. So the task name is this one. Okay. So this is going to be a few information that we need to know. Right now, for you to be able to add collaborators here, all you're gonna do is use or create a subtask. All right, so this is gonna be the main task. I'm going to create a subtask. Now, for example, this one, I'm gonna be putting in like assignee 1 maybe. All right, and then after that, you can assign this subtask to people. For example, I'm going to be assigning that to Andy Guide. You can also set a due date. For example, I want this subtask to be finished around August 23rd. Okay. Now, you can add another subtask to split work into smaller parts. For example, I'm going to be putting in assignee 2. And then same task here, I'm going to add this to another person. All right, you can invite teammates via email if you wanted, and of course after assigning, you can set another due date here, like maybe I wanted to finish this on the August 30th. All right, so it's all up to you. Now the thing is, assigning each subtask to a different team member, this way everyone involved will have their own task to complete, but all of them will be linked to the main task, which is going to be adding multiple assignees in Asana. If that makes sense, all you have to do is click on add subtask and assign more people. Or another way that you can do is to duplicate the task right here. Duplicate the task and assign this specific task to the multiple people. For example, this one. If you wanted to duplicate this specific task, duplicate it here, let's say 10 duplicates, and assign it to 10 different people or collaborators. All right, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.